In this video, I have two basics in Photoshop just to you. First, how to edit with Pro in Photoshop. In the next point, I will show you how to use clone tool in Photoshop to remove pictures from background. Okay, watch the practice altogether. In this video, I will show you how to make suite to get a better photo. Okay, right here. First, you need to insert your photo in suite. And then you need to arrange your photo under the suite. And after, press Ctrl T to resize this photo. Okay, so this is fullest and read this. And then you can merge. Press Ctrl E. And after, you can save the photos to the PNG file. Just click on File and click on Export. Choose this pattern. Save your name and click Save. So this is the result. Thank you for your love sharing. So this is the wrong way that you use erase to remove the pictures. That is the fullest. I will show you. First, you need to insert the pictures and unlock the layer. And choose Clone tool to remove this picture from the background. You need to press Alt and left click on the picture that you want to replace. Okay, ready.